If it be so,
our God who we serve,
He is able
to deliver us from the burning fiery furnace,
and He will
deliver us out of thine hand, O King.
But if not be
It known unto thee,
O King,
that he will not serve thy gods, no worship
golden in vain,
which thou hast set up. Then his men were bound in their courts, were cast into the midst of the burning fiery furnace. The flame of the fire slew those men that took them out. The king was astonished and rose up in hell and said, Did not we cast 3 men bound into the fire? Lo, I see 4 men loose in the midst of the fire,
and they
and no hurt and the fall
of the fall
is
is like
the
the
Son
Son
of
of
God.
God.
Good God, blessed be the God of Shadrach,
Meshach,
and Abednego,
who has
his
saved
angel and delivered
His
that
servant
trusted in him.
trusted in Him,
And they've changed the king's word,
and healed
their bodies
them.
of them are.
Lord say,
No worship any God,
no,
except their own good God, good God. There is no other God that can deliver us all, except their own good God, good God. There is no other God that can deliver us all, except their own good God, good God. Oh, I see 4 men loose in the midst of the fire,
and they
have no head and the fall
of the fall
is like the Son of God, good God. Blessed be the God of Shadrach,
Meshach,
and Abednego,
who has
his
saved
angel and delivered
His servant
that
that
trusted in him.
trusted in Him,
And have changed the king's word,
and healed
their
them.
bodies of them are.
Lord say,
No worship any God,
no,
except their own good God, good God. There is no other God that can deliver us all, except their own good God, good God. There is no other God that can deliver us all. Daniel chapter 3 from 17 down.